This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your My Social Security account so you can apply online immediately. This saves time and secures your information. Have your Social Security number, government ID, and bank routing and account numbers ready. Once done, verify your identity using the prompts so you avoid later delays. The site will ask for wage history and any tax forms such as W-2 or 1099. Make sure to use a private connection and write down your username and recovery info. You proceed through the online application by entering detailed employment history and any spouse or dependent data. Accuracy directly affects your benefit calculation. Select the type of claim, standard, early, or delayed, and the system explains how each choice changes monthly amounts. Once you input dates and earnings, the portal recalculates your estimate. Review each screen and correct typos. If interrupted, save your progress and return later, because incomplete or inconsistent entries are the most common sources of processing delays. You finish by electronically signing and submitting the application. The site immediately gives a confirmation number. Print or save it for your records. If SSA requires originals or certified copies, upload them or mail them promptly and use tracked shipping. Once submitted, expect processing in roughly 2 to 6 weeks. Make sure to monitor your My Social Security messages. If you don't receive acknowledgement or see errors, call your local SSA office with the confirmation number to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.